Hello there guys, welcome back to the e-bike repairs YouTube channel. What I've got in today is this. It's a Joycube 36 volt 11.6 amp hour battery pack. So this is coming for a BAFANG mid-drive bike. Someone's already opened it, which is great because it means it's not my fault. The warranty thing, it's quite dead. When you plug in the charger, nothing happens. Let's have a look, shall we? See how you get into it, etc. If you press this, you get nothing. It would seem that the cells are probably dead. Apparently it's sat for quite a long time. So we've got 4 screws along the bottom there. Pop them off. It just wants to focus on the lower area, not here, but oh well. That's those 4 screws. They don't want to come out. One wants to come out, but that's close enough, isn't it? If I maybe adjust you a bit. What have we got? We've got our main positive and negative out, just there, which is all that seems to communicate to the battery, which is great. That means it can be replaced, resold with a dumb BMS if needed, which is great. Oh, well, look at that. Someone's already done the hard work for me. Ta-da! Just like that. There's our empty case. No idea how you get the top off, but yep. Oh, there you go. There's our BMS. Fuse here, which is not blown. All looks quite nice, to be honest. It's a custom nickel, I think, by the looks of it. Along there, and covers as well. It's all pretty cool. What kind of cells have we got? Can we see? Samsung cells, probably 29Es or something like that. By the looks of it, I see something Samsung-y. Something Samsung-y. But yeah, it's kind of nice. Let's pop the balance wires off the BMS and have a little look how dead it is, shall we? So I know it's super... Oh, that's not where you pull them out from. Silly me. You pull them out from over here. It's like one big JST that's just not fully populated. Well, just pretend that that's fine. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, which is great. That's the number I want to see. So there's our main negative, and our main positive is over here, right down there. Oh no, that didn't go well, did it? I can tilt you a bit. There you go. And across the whole pack we've got, drumroll please, 36 volts. That's not that bad. It might not be that dead. It might just be an unhappy BMS. Turn on my battery balancing machine. Let's have a little look, see at the cells. The lot of them are all at 3.6 volts. So for some reason the BMS is unhappy. Will it be as simple as just unplugging and replugging the balance leads? Lead, should I say? Who knows? There was a bit of corrosion to this JST, I saw. Not the JST, but the header on the actual BMS. Will it magically be fixed? Be nice, wouldn't it? There it is. No. Okay. See if our charger wants to cooperate now. Again, I doubt it, but it doesn't hurt to try. It does not. The light is still very green. With the charger plugged in, do we get anything? Nope, nothing there. It looks as though it might have seen a bit of corrosion, this board. Let's have a test of something, shall we? Are we getting power to the board on the positive and negative? Yep. Are we getting power to the charge port? Yep. Are we getting power to this little guy? Yep. You just don't work. That's weird. We've now somehow got power at the discharge port here. Of you can't see. There you go, 36 volts. It's decided to give us voltage out. But no charging. So, I mean, if the cells are fine and it doesn't charge, and you're getting voltage from the charger up, you know, you're looking at a BMS issue. Almost certainly. Could try reseating the in here. You've got some cool. Just pull the header straight off the board. That's fine. But they're temperature sensors. Okay. Could try reseating those. Now the charger looks to communicate with the BMS in like a super fun fashion. What's going on there? What could we do to force this to take a charge off the original charger? Don't know. I mean, the easiest solution would be replace the BMS because it doesn't communicate with the bike. There's, you know, it's simply a positive and negative out. Replace the charge port with something a bit more standard because this has those extra jobbies in it here. And then probably replace. Well, that's it really. And you know, it's likely that the cells aren't that dead, but it has for some reason gone to sleep, which is really unhelpful, unless it's asleep because it doesn't detect charge voltage and it's actually just the charger that's bad. So I'm definitely not going to touch anything metal to the insides of this BMS at all. The other option then would be to try my adjustable power supply here to the charge positive and charge negative, and we'll try just replicating a different charger, see if that has any luck, in case it's the charger that's being unpleasant, unhappy. So charge negative to that side, charge positive to there, and we'll set it at 42 volts. There's a whole load of nothing. If you go directly to the main power terminal, there is it functions, but not there. So, well, I think I know the answer then. Will be to replace the BMS, replace the charge port, because that's just a bog standard charge port hole, and then off to the races. But yeah, it's quite possible that the cells in here are actually okay. So yeah, well, new BMS, and it turns out you can power the bloody thing, which would be nice. Thank you very much for watching. Have a lovely rest of your day. Like, share, comment, subscribe, any of that fun stuff if you feel like doing that. And yeah, thank you. Bye bye.